Yeah. So, good morning, everyone. In the last class, we started a new Python batch. Okay. So, the details I have explained very clearly in the last session. So, the coming to the course details, these are nothing but the details of our course. So, the title of the course is Core and Advanced Python. It is a fast track batch. Within 1 month, we are going to finish this course. The duration of the course is 1 month and fees is rupees 5,000. And you can contact to this number if you want to get registrations. What is the contact number? 8096 969696. To this number you can make a call and you can get registered. Of course, anyway, this complete week we have demos. And what are the benefits of our class? You can see you are going to get live class environment support. Like every day we are going to have the classes in live, sir. Next and after that, so real time examples will be given for each and every concept, so that you can able to understand the concepts very clearly. To provide that support, we are going to take some real time examples in a funny way, so to demonstrate or to inject the concept very clearly into your brain. Then multiple choice questions will be covered, and frequently asked questions also we are going to cover as a part of this course. So that what will happen? It will be useful for interview preparation. Then running notes will be provided in the form of a text and in the form of a document and also in the form of PDF. Of course, whatever I am going to type on the daily basis, same thing I am going to provide. And finally, coding questions, hacker rank coding questions we are going to give. Already I prepared some 100 plus challenges. I'm going to share those challenges for you people for a reference purpose. So that what will happen when you are practicing the programs, I mean, once if the concept got completed, you can able to get a practice with the help of that. Beyond that, nothing. This is nothing but the details of our courses, sir. And I explained very clearly what syllabus we are going to cover. Like almost 26 chapters are there that I covered. Then, sir, how to the introduction to the programming. I mean, introduction to the Python programs, like how simply we can able to develop the Python programs. I explained by taking some examples. Like example one, just we have taken one simple Python program and demonstrated. Then how to calculate addition of two numbers, that program also we have seen. Next, addition of two numbers in a complex way, how you can able to do, that part also I explained. Then we calculated addition of two numbers, whatever we calculated as it is, I have written that data into the file. That part also we have seen. Sir, now in today's session I am going to explain you few more example programs, then I will go with the theory part. What is the next example? That is example number 5. What is the next example here is, sir, do you know, I want to read, okay, I want to read a string from the user. From the user, I want to read a string. Then what I have to do is, whatever string that you have accepted, same thing we need to print on the screen. Okay, so we have to read a string from the user, and whatever string that you have accepted, that string you need to print in the output. How to prepare Python program? I already told. We have to go to a new Python program. So here I'm going to save this file. You can give any file name, but our convenient purpose I'm taking test.py as the file name. So in these, just we are trying to read the name from the user. Name is equal to input of, so enter any name or enter any string. I'm reading one string there. Okay, let it be yes. Sir, now I want to print that yes as it is on the screen. Very simple, sir. Yes, I'm taking. Sir, do you know, yesterday I told input is the function which is used to read one input from the user. So if you want, you can convert that input into integer format. So if your requirement is to work with integer type of data, you can convert that one into integer. If your requirement is to convert it into floating point, you have to take a float. If your requirement is to convert it into a boolean, you can use some function like that. You can convert into any type based on your requirement. Sir, after this, what we have to do? Sir, very simple. Just we are going to execute this code. How to execute this program? You need to go for command prompt. In the command prompt, you need to enter into the folder where you saved our programs. Sir, all these steps I will explain one by one with the help of installation. Okay, don't worry at all. Just at a top level, try to understand. Next, how to execute this program? I entered into the place where I have typed my program. Then, sir, I'm going to take py space test.py. Once if you press enter, what will happen? It is asking for the string. Now I am giving input as something like Prakash. So it is going to print that as it is on the screen. If you want, you can see. So whatever input that you have given, is it printed on the output screen or not? Yes. This is the way how to print a message on the screen, sir. Hope you understood the concept very clearly. This is nothing but a simple Python program. So how to read a string and how you can display. Can you please confirm is the concept is clear up to this whatever I covered this first program? Please confirm. Clear? Yes, requesting everyone to please respond. Clear up to this. Any doubt in this program? Sir, attending the demo session simply is not good, sir. I request you to please interact because you need to give confirmational acknowledgement must be required. Whether have you understood the concept or do you feel any difficulty like that? You need to understand. You have to give response. Then only I can able to get whether you are getting the concept or not. You are not at all responding in the chat window and even you are not at all speaking, then so I'm taking the classes only for walls. Can you please confirm up to this these two lines of code? I'm not taking a big program. Is these two lines of code, is it clear? Yes, please confirm. Right. Right. So let us go for the next one. What is the next example here is, so I want to read a string, okay, from the user. I want to calculate reverse of the given string. Okay. So reverse of the given string. Sir, how you can able to calculate reverse of the given string? We will see now. Sir, already I have taken the program, right? Sir, in Python, calculating the reverse is very, very easy task, sir. Here, how to calculate reverse? In other programming languages, we have big functions are there. But here, simply if you print yes as it is going to print. But if you take yes of colon colon minus 1, do you know this operation is called as slice operation? This operation is called as what? Slice operation. By using these, we can able to find out reverse of the given string. Let me run this code up to this. Sir, I have given the input as a Prakash. Are you seeing the given input as it is came? Reverse of the input came or not? Yes. This is the way how to calculate reverse. Suppose if the given input is A, B, C, D, reverse of the string is what? So D, C, B, A. If you take A, B, B, A, what is the reverse of the string? We have same A, B, B, A. Have you observed? In this case, can I say this string is palindrome string or not? Yes. So if you are taking any input, if you are trying to find out result of that string, if you are getting the same result, I can say that string is nothing but what? Palindrome string. Palindrome string means what? If you calculate reverse of the any string, we have to get the original string as it is. Sir, I want to write a program for that purpose. Okay. I want to check whether the given string is palindrome. Okay, palindrome or not. We have to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. How to do that? Program is the same. One small modification in this we have to do. What is that modification, sir? Here, if sir, simply I am going to take how easy it is. Sir, s is double equal to s of colon colon minus 1. That's all. I am comparing the original string and I am comparing the reversed string. If original string and reversed string both are same, I can say this string is nothing but palindrome. Sir, can I take a b c d? What output we are getting? Sir, it is not a palindrome. The output what we got is nothing but false. Sir, now I'm giving ABBA. So what output we are getting? It is returning true. One second. Right, like this we have. Okay. Sir, can you please confirm, is it clear how to check whether the given number is, whether the given string is palindrome? Same concept you can apply for even numbers also. Just I am trying to explain how much easy Python code. Beyond that, nothing. If you want to implement the same program in other programming languages, n number of tools must be required. Sir, can you please confirm, is the concept is clear up to this whatever I covered?
Sir, can you please repeat it again? Just confused a little bit.
Sir, nothing is there here. See, if you are taking yes, then what is the meaning? It will return the original string. Means what? Suppose if your original string is so A, B, B, A, like this if you have. So we are going to take S of a colon colon minus 1. So colon colon minus 1, nothing it is going to do. Instead of moving from left to right, it will take the data from right to left. It is one of the facility available in Python. So what output we will get? ABBA. That means what? We are getting the data in the reverse direction. Now I'm comparing whether the given input and reverse both are same or not. Sir, here we got ABBA and here also we got ABBA. Is both are same or different? Yes, both are same. Sir, can I say is it a palindrome or not? That's all. So I'm trying to explain. So simply we can find out reverse by using S of colon colon minus 1. Got it, sir?
Yeah, I got it now. Thank you.
Right, sir. Good. Yeah. So let us go for now. I will enter into slowly the theory concepts. This is nothing but just I explained how much easy our Python is. Now I am going to start the first chapter. Sir, what is the first chapter here? Introduction to programming. Sir, if you want to see what is mean by programming, you need to go for this introduction. Sir, in this I am going to demonstrate what is mean by language and what is mean by programming language and what is mean by types of programming, types of programming languages, and what is mean by translator. Okay, translators, and what is mean by compiler and what is mean by interpreter. What is the difference between these two? Okay, next and after that we are going to see examples for both the compiler and interpreter. This is nothing but the theory topic what we have in this first chapter, that is nothing but introduction to programming. Sir, after that we are going to see the second chapter. What is the second chapter that we have here is, sir, do you know, already I told introduction to Python programming. Introduction to Python programming. So in these we are going to see, okay, in this we are going to see, sir, what is mean by Python? Like I can say history of Python. So history of Python. Then what is the Python official website? Official website from where we can download Python, and some sample programs I am going to explain. Okay, next and after that, where we can use Python, where we can use Python. There are so many real-time applications are there. And what approaches so Python follows. Okay, like we have procedure oriented, object oriented, scripting level, like that we have different tools are there. In that, which one our Python is going to follow. So next and after that, sir, just for your understanding purpose, I'm going to explain list of companies, which companies are using Python, which companies are using Python. So next and after that, why the name Python came. So there is a small story is there behind this. Why Python name came, I will explain. Next and after that, what are the various versions of Python versions. Next and after that, I am going to explain Python installation of Python software. So next and after that, steps to create Python application. If I want to create any simple Python application, what steps are there? Okay. So next and after that, summary of Python command prompt keywords. Sir, do you know in the command prompts I explained, when we are executing the program, which command we are using? Py space test.py. So suppose if I am giving the string as ABC, like this we are getting. Sir, we have few more commands are there. You can use a Python hyphen version to display which current version is actively installed in my system. So in my system, Python 3.11 is the active version. You can use py-0 to display the list of installed Pythons. Have you observed in my system, I have 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Like that, we have various versions are there which is installed in my system. Like this is the second chapter. Sir, because these are related to the theory part, I am going to cover both. Like theory, I will take, and sometimes for avoiding the this bore, you may feel bore if I'm explaining the complete theory. That's why parallelly I'm going to explain the programs also, so that you can feel comfortable. This is our 2 days or 3 days plan, sir. Okay, sir, can I start our first class? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, the first one what we have here is, we need to talk about the first one, which is nothing but a language. Sir, majority of you people know very well what is mean by language. Very simple, sir. Sir, do you know I'm explaining for you from the last 2 days. Yesterday I have taken one session. So today I am taking one session. Whatever concepts I am explaining for you, you can able to understand, and you are going to get the clarity, right? Whatever I am trying to explain. So you are going to follow my instructions. You can able to follow my what you can call. Suppose if the program is unable to understand, if I am explaining one more time, so you people are going to feel comfortable. Means what? Sir, language is nothing but, I can say, it is a communication medium. It is a communication. So it is a medium. It is a medium used for communication purpose. Sir, here I am using English to communicate with you people. Sometimes I can use Telugu. Sometimes I can use Tamil. Any language I can take, sir. But the main intention of language is what? For establishing the communication. Whatever things are there in my brain. So I want to explain for you people. For that, we can use this medium as a channel, or medium or channel as a language. Then, sir, can I define it is a communication? It is nothing but a communication between. It is a communication between two things. Yes, it is nothing but a communication between two things. And it is a divided. It is a divided into three types. In how many types this language is divided? It is available in the three types, sir. One is nothing but, sir, do you know person to person communication? person to person communication. I think in general we are seeing this. Sir, have you observed? For this we are using English. Okay, so or some Hindi. Okay, or something like a Telugu. Okay, or something like a Tamil, etc. Sir, now second kind of communication is what? Mission to mission. Means what? A person, a mission is going to communicate with another mission. Sir, I have first mission is there. It is going to communicate with another mission. Maybe I can say my mobile is there. Diveshri, please switch off your video mode. Sir, we have mission to mission communication is there. Assume I have one movie is there in my mobile. I want to transfer that movie from I want to transfer that movie from my mobile to my PC, my laptop. How you can able to do? It is possible with the help of zeros and ones. Sir, I can say this language is nothing but what? Binary language, or I can use the word called mission code. Sir, a mission, any electronic device, a mission can communicate with another mission by exchanging the information in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, so how one mission is going to communicate with another mission? By exchanging the information in the form of zeros and ones, they are going to communicate. This is nothing but what we have. And the third version, sir, third one, person to, okay, person to mission communication. Sir, this is very difficult. So it is highly impossible. It is highly impossible to do this, sir. Why? Because a person can understand zeros and ones, sorry, a person can understand English instructions, but a mission can understand zeros and ones. Sir, how it is going to be calculated, how it is going to be communicated? Highly impossible, right? So if I am telling my mission to copy this operation, sir, his mission can understand? No, because it is expecting the data always in the form of zeros and ones, but I am unable to produce the data in the form of zeros and ones, sir, which is very complex. That's why we need the help of a programming language. Okay, so programming language is a tool. Language is a tool. So which is used to make communication, or which is used to make an interaction between a person and mission. It is nothing but something like communication between two things. Sir, can I say for that we are using programming language? Yes. Sir, how this programming language concept came into the real world, I think you got the clarity. Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubt in this whatever I covered? Yes, I need response from everyone. Is it clear up to this whatever I covered? Right. Next one. Sir, what is the definition of a programming language? What is the definition of programming language? Very simple, sir. Programming language. Programming language. Okay, so is a tool. Programming language is a tool. Is a tool which is used to. One second. So programming language is a tool. Okay, so which is used to communicate, which is used to communicate with missions. So programming language is nothing but, I can say, it is nothing but a tool, so which is used to communicate with mission. So if I want to communicate with the mission, then we have to use programming language as a tool. Okay, programming language as a tool. Sir, next point, a person, a person a person communicating with the mission, a person communicating with the mission is impossible always. Mission is always impossible, always impossible. Sir, it is for this only we are going for programming language. I can say it is a software, it is a software, so which converts human readable code, which converts a human readable code into so mission code. What is the purpose of programming language? Which converts human readable code into mission code, sir. It is going to convert human readable code into mission code. Or I can say it is nothing but something like a translator. It is a translator. It is nothing but a translator. Sir, do you know even it is an interface? It is an interface between, it is an interface between, so person and mission, person and mission. So it is nothing but something like interface between person and mission. Like this we have. Sir, what are the example programming languages that we have? Sir, I have Java is there. I have Python is there. Like we have so many programming languages. Sir, that means you are trying to tell by using Java and Python, we are going to communicate with mission. Yes. But at the top level, just for your understanding purpose, I am telling. But in the real time, we are going to use so many softwares to communicate. Suppose assume in my hard disk I have one MP3 song is there. I want to play that song. If you ask, "Array hard disk, can you please play this song like that?" If you ask, is it going to play? No. So for that, they have used some programming language to develop one small application, a small software, which is nothing but MP3 player. So you have to open that MP3 player. You need to search for the song, and if you select the play button, automatically it is going to play. Sir, who is responsible to do all these operations? Programmer. That means user is responsible, the person who is utilizing the application. But how that application is developed? By using programming language only. Even in best, sir, we have operating systems are there. Sir, do you know whether it may be a PC related operating system or mobile related operating system? Sir, without operating system, are you going to work with the mobile hardware? No. Sir, I have taken one picture. Sir, that picture is available in my hard disk, mobile memory storage, it is there. I want to send that data, or I want to send that picture from one mobile to another mobile. Then what you are going to do? So you are going to open one application called WhatsApp, and you are going to select the file where it is available, and you need to select that file, and just you need to click on send. It will be moved to the another person. Sir, you are going to use your finger to do all these operations. Sir, for that one interface is there, right? That is nothing but Android system. Okay, so it is developed by using one programming language only. So it is highly impossible to interact with the machine. To make it possible, we have these programming languages are there. Again, these programming languages are categorized into different types, sir. Okay, sir, what is the first one? The first one, the following are the different types of programming languages, different types of programming languages that are existed in general. Sir, do you know what is the first one? Is nothing but low level programming languages. The second one is nothing but high level programming languages. Sir, third one we have middle level programming languages are there. Like this, all these programming languages are categorized into how many types, sir? Three types. I think you understood at the top level what is a language, how this language is divided, what is mean by programming language, what are the different types of programming languages are there. Sir, do you have any doubt in this theoretical part? Please confirm.
No, sir.
If everything is clear, I will go with the next concept. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yes.
Right. Sir, now I don't want to take the again theory concept. Just for your refreshment purpose, I want to take one Python program, sir. What is that Python program is? Sir, do you know? Maybe you have seen somewhere OTP. OTP means what? One time password. One time password. Sir, you come across these kind of situations. I want to write a Python program I want to write a Python program to generate, okay, to generate OTP means what? One time password, one time password. Sir, you know very well this one time password is used for authentication, okay, or validation purpose. Sir, suppose I want to do a small bank transaction. So in my interface I opened the mobile banking app. So then I have selected login credentials, everything I entered, and from my account to my friend account I want to transfer the funds, like 1 lakh, something like that. Now I entered the account details, okay, and I have entered the amount, everything is okay. Then, so I am going to click on transfer funds. Immediately what will happen? To that registered mobile number we are going to get OTP. To that registered mobile number we are going to get OTP. Sir, what we have to do? We need to enter that OTP. Okay, whatever OTP that you have received, you need to enter that OTP. If you enter that OTP, what will happen? So if the OTP which you have entered and the OTP which was generated in the mission, both are same, it is going to allow you to transfer the funds. Okay, for that, how system is generating OTP? Because there is no standard format, it is a random number. It is nothing but a random number. Yes, my Python is providing support for these random numbers by using some module. Sir, we will implement a program for that. Do you know, for that there is one separate module is there with the name random. We have to import this random. Okay, we have to import this random. Sir, now what I am going to do? So you have to write a code for the generation of random number. Now see, I am going to take like this print. Sir, do you know in this random module there is one special int is there, special function is there with the name rand int. Sir, it is going to take two arguments, x and y. So it generate a random number between x and y. Both are x and y both are inclusive. Inclusive means what? In between x and y, including x and y, it will generate. Sir, I need a 3-digit OTP. I need a 3-digit OTP. Can you tell me what is the minimum number in the 3-digit in the number system? Please confirm what is the minimum 3-digit number. Yes. Ayo. Please confirm what is the minimum 3-digit number. What are the 3-digit numbers? From where 3-digit number will start? 100. Where 3-digit number will end? 999. So what is the minimum 3-digit number? 111. Sorry, 100. What is the maximum 3-digit number? 999. Now this program is going to generate a 3-digit OTP. Now let us run the program. How to run? py space test.py. Is it going to work? Yes. 280 is the OTP. Sir, if you run one more time, the OTPs are going to change. Have you observed every time the OTP is changed up? Yes. This is the way how you can write a Python program just to generate OTP. Every time we are going to get a new output. I think you understood the concept of generating OTPs. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm. Any doubts up to this?
No.
Hi, I have
Hmm,
one doubt.
hmm.
In general, how do we validate whether this OTP generated from this function is valid from the specific user perspective or not?
Yeah, we can do. See, you can store this value in some variable like x is equal to something like this. Okay.
Okay,
Then I will ask the user, or user, can you please enter your OTP? So
okay,
enter your OTP like this.
okay,
So meanwhile, what I will do, I'm going to write it in the comments just to try to understand. I'm going to send the value of x into a mobile number. I can send to mobile, or I can send to email, or I can send to file. Now the user is going to enter the value, whatever you have sent. If x is double equal to y, then validation starts. I mean, transferring funds is going to start. So else what we are going to do? We will display a message saying invalid OTP. Got it?
Yeah, got it. Yeah. So in
Now
real time scenario, we will store the OTP generated
we
from this
have to,
function
yeah,
into
yes.
somewhere, and then we will validate from the once the user enters that OTP.
Yes, yes, that we have to write here. So for
Oh,
sending into mobile number, you need to contact a service provider, and there are some options are there. That script we have to write here. Even
okay.
for the email, we need to write some. We have to take some modules, and we have to do that. But the files, I think yesterday you attended the demo.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yesterday we discussed about file right.
Yes, I'm
So
aware of
how
it.
to do? Yes, how to do that? Just simply, I'm going to take a file pointer.
Yeah,
I'm
open
creating. Yeah, I'm going to create
file
one
to
file
run
called
the site.
op.txt, and I will
Um,
create in write mode.
yeah.
How to write that information into the file?
Upload
F
file
dot
to
write of x. But write function will take only string.
append
But this
append to
x
it.
is not. Yeah, this x is not a string. That's why I'm using str function to convert.
Mhm.
That's all.
Okay.
Now that file I'm closing. Have you observed this small script is going to write that OTP into the file? You can
Uh,
execute. This code is going to work. If you want to just have a look once. Sir, I will do one thing. I want to create this OTP in the desktop. In the desktop, I want to create OTP. Sir, how to create the desktop in the OTP? Just you need to get the properties of this one. Sir, where it is available? Users Prakash Babu ke desktop. Like this, we have a complete path. Let us give this path here. In this, it will create OTP. Now I am running my Python program. Have a look once. So here, Unicode, 1 second. Better to give the slash in reverse because it is taking the escape characters.
okay.
That's why you can give in this style. Now have a look once. Name F is not defined. Do you want FP? Yes, FP. Have you observed? Python error messages are how easy it is. So it is telling F dot write. So name error, name F is not defined. Are you going to use FP? Like that we are going to tell. So this example again I will cover. Sir, enter your OTP. The OTP has already sent. Where it is sent? Have you observed in the desktop? Just now a file got created. Now I am opening this, and what is the OTP that we have? 854. If you enter that 854,
Uh,
transferring the funds. Now again I am running. So OTP is there. Now what is the OTP that we got? 354. Now assume I am giving 355. So 355. What will happen? Invalid OTP. Like that we are getting. Got it?
yeah, got it. Thank you.
Hmm. Sir, everyone understood this concept. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Then. So anyway, here just I want to demonstrate one more program. Listen carefully. Sir, do you know how beautifully these error messages are defined? Error messages, error messages, error messages in Python. In Python. Sir, how these error messages are generated in the Python? See the difference. Suppose consider I have one simple Python program is there. X is equal to 111. I am trying to print the value of X. Sir, is there any mistake in the program? Yes, I declared small x, but I am trying to use capital X. Like that, there is a mistake. So what I am going to do is I will try to execute this code. In my Python, I have several versions are there. First, I will try to execute by using 3.5 version. How to execute this program in 3.5? In the sense, we have one command is there. Py space hyphen 3.5 space test.py. Please don't worry. I will explain this installation process, everything in the upcoming classes. Please don't worry. So py space hyphen 3.5 test.py. Now it is telling name x is not defined. Now same program I am executing in 3.11. See the difference? Sir, same thing, right? Trace back most recent call last, trace back most recent call. So file test.py in line number 2 and module. Have you observed? It is giving only relative path. It is giving the complete path where it is available. Okay. So print x. Here it is not giving where the error is coming. Here it is giving the mark that where error is coming. And name error, name x is not defined. name error, name X is not defined. In addition to that, it is giving auto suggestion also. Sir, X is not there, but in that place you have taken small x. Are you trying to use a small x? Like that, auto suggestions will be there. Sir, now if anyone is asking what is the difference between Python one version to another version, these are the examples. Some enhancements will be there. So not only with related to the error messages. So new modules will be introduced, new functions will be there. Sometimes new concepts will be there like that. So version to version, they are going to do some modifications. I think this concept is also very clear for you, right? Any doubt in these two programs, guys? See, I'm trying to explain how much easy Python program is. Beyond that, nothing. Please try to understand at the top level. Clear? Yes, please confirm.
Yes.
Seems to be other students are not understanding. Am I correct? No, no. Oh, then you have to respond. Huh? Sir, clear. Please confirm everyone. Right. So let us go for the next one. So we have different types of programming languages, as I said earlier, like low level, high level, middle level. Let me talk about these things. Sir, what is mean by low level? What is mean by low level? Very simple, sir. Here, low level in the sense, sir, the instructions, in this case, the instructions are given in low level format. The instructions are given in low level format. Sir, in these, programmer is responsible to perform all operations. Programmer is responsible to perform all the operations whatever he required. So programmer is responsible to do all these activities, okay, like memory allocation, okay. So all the operations. Sir, which operations will be there? Sir, can I say like memory allocation? Yes, memory allocation will be done by the programmer in the low level activities. So memory deallocation. So next and after that, resources utilization, files creating, database creating, everything who is responsible. Programmer has to write the code, and that means no assistance will be provided. Sir, do you know, we can say almost all the olden programming languages like ABC language is there. Next and after that, C language is there. Next and after that, basic, okay, like assembly programming language, like we have olden programming languages. All the old programming languages will comes under this low level category. Of course, now we are not at all using that. And the next one is what? The instructions. High level means what? The instructions are given in high level format. The instructions are given in high level format. One second. One second. Right here, the instructions are given in high level format, sir. And programmer is responsible to perform, okay, programmer is responsible to perform only business logic. So you have to implement only business logic, okay, business logic you have to implement. That means, sir, what about rest of the activities? Assistance will be take care, okay. So assistance will be provided, okay, by the language itself. It is going to provide. So assistance will be provided by programming language. Next, and after that, sir, do you know, in this case, which programming languages will comes under this high level? Sir, almost all the programming languages like C, sir, Java, so Python, okay, .NET, everything will comes under high level. Sir, you can see this C language is there in both categories. Yes, because C is both high level programming language and low level in some points of view. Sir, what is middle level? The programming language. The programming language. So the programming language which provides support for both low level and high level. Okay, both low level and high level will comes under this middle level category. Sir, we can say C language. C language is a example for both low level and high level. Sir, how you can say C is a low level? So C language with pointers, C language with pointers is called as low level, is called as low level. Sir, next C language without pointers, if you are not using any pointers, then it is called as high level, high level. Okay, then it is called as a high level. So this is nothing but what we have. So I think the concept of low level, high level, middle level are clear for you, right? Any doubts? Please confirm. Clear? Yes, please respond. Right. Next. So let us see about these translators that we will discuss later. I want to demonstrate a few more programs, one or two programs I want to demonstrate. So like 10th program I am taking. Sir, in Python, we have some libraries are there. Okay, especially I told it is mainly used for data related applications. Sir, we can write a Python program. Sir, do you know to print current month calendar also? Okay, Python program to print. So current month calendar like this I want to print. Sir, let us see how you can able to print this. We have a scripts are there for this. Already some libraries are there. So there is one library with the name calendar. Sir, just you can print. So calendar dot sir month of sir 2023 comma 8th month calendar I want to print. Now see what will happen. Sir, are you able to see py space test.py? Sir, are you able to see the August month calendar as it is printed or not? Yes. This is the way how to print current month calendar on the screen. Current month calendar on the screen. Sir, I want to print the total calendar like 2023, that a complete year calendar I want to print. How to do that? For that also modules are there. So Python program to print so the year calendar. Sir, how to do that? Sir, very simple. In these, we have one special function is there with name calendar. With name calendar. Sir, what that function is going to do? It will take an year value and it will print that total calendar, whatever we have. If you want, you can see. Sir, you can able to see the total calendar we got or yes. Sir, 2023, the total calendar, January month, February month, March, April, May, like it is printing the total calendar. I think you got a clarity how we can able to do this. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubt in these two segments, whatever I covered? Yes, please confirm. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So with this, I will stop today's session. Sir, tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Tomorrow we are going to see translators, compiler versus interpreter, and example programs for compilers and interpreters, and introduction to the programming. So tomorrow I will take some around 1 hour 10 minutes like that. Introduction to the Python programming also I am going to finish because that is the easy topic. Then we have please listen, I am going to explain our action plan for the few days. Sir, next we are going to see the fundamentals, and I am not going to cover the features. Later I will cover. Then immediately we are going to start the data types because for 8 a.m. batch already the data types topic is going on. Okay, if you want, just I will show you. You can see for 8 a.m. batch. So you can see almost for them, just I started data types only. Introduction to the data types alone I covered. I have not started yet data types. Maybe I am going to take up to string data types for them, and that is up to string whatever I am going to cover for them. I will take for you people. Okay, sir, parallelly we are going to have 8 o'clock batch is there, 9 o'clock batch is there. If anyone wants to continue, you can get registered immediately and you can attend that 8 a.m. batch also. Okay, that flexibility is there for you people. So you can attend this theory part, whatever I covered in the demo session in this class, and parallelly you can go for that 8 a.m. batch also. Okay, yes, any doubts up to this?
Sir, this is duration. What is the duration for this batch?
Sir, 1 month duration will be there.
1 month, 1 hour, daily 1 hour.
Oh no, 1.5 hour class will be there. 8 o'clock to 9:30 is the batch timings.
Okay. And one more thing, any weekend batch is there? So
No, sir, as of now, there is no weekend batch.
just I saw there is a Saturday, Sunday, there is a logic based or something.
Yeah, that is in the evening, sir. That
Okay.
is not related to the program. I mean, that is not related to the language. There, I'm going to cover 350 programs will be there in all the programming languages. That is completely different course.
Okay. You mean to say directly you will explain the programs one by
Yes, logics. I'm going to
logics.
explain first. Then I will explain the program in all the languages. If you want, just 1 second, I will show you that syllabus. I think you can attend the demo session there. I will explain,
Okay.
but just some notes I will show you.
Okay.
So this is the notes. Like we are going to cover all the programs in every programming language. Suppose if you take prime number.
Okay.
So first problem statement, I will explain some examples, then logic to solve the problem. That same program I am going to write the code in C language. The same program code I am going to write in Java, and the same program code I am going to write in Python. So this new batch is going to start at 5 o'clock. Actually, it is also add-on batch. So the actual class timings will be 7 o'clock. Okay.
Means Saturday, Sunday, 7 a.m. You're saying.
Yes, 7 p.m. 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Saturday 7 p.m. to 9:30. Sunday 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Only Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, 2 hours. The duration.
2.5 hours. The duration is 5 to 6 weekends will be there.
Okay, okay. But what are the you're covering in this regular 1 month course? All the programs it will cover in that.
No. Whatever concepts here we are learning programming language.
Yes.
There only programs will be there. So for that Python fundamentals are sufficient. Okay, because with the help of fundamentals only we can able to solve the problems. Whatever chapters that we are going to cover from 1 to maybe up to 13 or 14, 15, these are sufficient.
Okay.
Rest of the things are advanced applications. Those we are not going to cover in the programming.
Okay. Oops.
Any other queries, friends?
After attending this session, we'll be able to work in real-time programming.
Yes, definitely, madam.
Okay, sir. So we can solve the real-time.
Yes, so real-time
problem.
scenarios you can able to solve.
Okay. Are you going to explain any real-time scenarios in this?
No, madam. Real-time projects won't be there with us, right? Because I mean, you are trying to ask in the companies what kind of problems we are getting that we are going to solve or not. For that, whatever knowledge is required, that we are going to provide. But we don't know what kind of problem we are going to get there. Okay.
What is a mini project regarding to?
So whatever concepts we are going to cover here, with all these things, we are going to take one small mini project. Like for example, if I am taking student details, I want to work with student details and I want to store that information in the database. There, object-oriented concepts, functional programming, multi-threading, exception handling, files, databases. With all these flavors, I will go with one small program.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just one question, like this logic book, your Saturday Sunday logic. So like this, any project oriented or anything?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
In future or?
Maybe, sir.
Okay.
Not sure.
Okay. Even regular also only weekdays only, not weekends.
No, no, no. Real-time project-oriented classes are not there from my side. So
Okay.
only this logic building and
Okay.
then Java and Python and data structures with Java, data structures with Python. These batches are there from my side.
Okay.
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 Yes. Any other queries that you need to get from my side?
I paid the course fee, but I didn't give the login details yet.
You have registered already for this?
Yesterday I paid the course fee.
Do one thing. I will
But I
instruct
didn't
that.
get the.
Yeah, no problem. I will instruct them to share this original class link. Do one thing. From tomorrow onwards, 8 to 9 o'clock regular class is going to be happen. Okay. So if you want, you can attend that class. Otherwise, you can follow these demo classes only. Okay. Whatever I covered for them, I'm going to cover in these demo sessions only. So you are going to get confused. Leave about that. You can follow these demo sessions till Friday. You can follow these demo sessions. Maybe Friday evening or Saturday morning, our admin team are going to share that credentials, like what is a permanent link and all these things they will share. Only that link you can expect on Saturday, but remaining videos access, running notes access. So maybe today itself you are going to get.
Okay.
But to follow these classes only. So your class notes are whatever content I am going to take from the yesterday. 14th August to, remember this date, 14th August to 18th August, these 5 days, whatever we are covering. So that will be there in your introduction part. And from 21st onwards, whatever we are covering, that will be there for both batches. So till that, you follow these classes.
Okay.
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 Right.
You are going to miss one topic, right? When you will cover that topic?
Maybe on one Saturday or one Sunday I will take.
Okay.
One question. This batch is 9 to 10 or?
No, sir. 8 a.m. Here you can see on my screen. 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. This is an add-on batch, sir. That means, so to increase the strength, we have planned one other batch.
Okay, this batch is 8 a.m., not 9 a.m.
No, not 9 a.m. Only this week I will take from 9 to 10 o'clock. So later we will combine this with 8 o'clock.
Okay.
From 21st onwards.
And we can get the recorded videos.
Yes,
Right?
yes, you will get it. Nishant, no. I'm not going to use SQL Alchemy. No, MySQL we are going to cover. So with the help of MySQL, we are establishing the communication. Okay. Yes, any other queries? Right, sir. So that's all about today's session. Remaining things we will continue in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.